Back to another training, and now we are going to look at three different sections of a page. That is the margin, the page header, the page footer, and also how do we insert the page numbers. So if I click on layout, I can see margins on this left part. The margins, we have those parts of the document where text should not be typed. It should give an allowance for you to have some space so that your document looks perfectly neat. Next to the margins, we have orientation. Maybe I want my page to be landscape, whereby the height is now shorter, or portrait, whereby the height is still longer. We have the size of paper. Maybe I want to type an A4, a B5, an A6 paper size. This is where I select type of paper. Or maybe I need to type in 2 columns. My text on one page can be 2 columns, 3 columns, and so on. But for now, if we click on view, we can be able to view the grid line. This grid line represents where we start typing to the other right margin where we stop typing. Now, upper part is called the header, and the lower part is called the footer. In the header, we can put a title, but remember, whatever you type on the header is going to appear on every page that you insert. And what you're going to type in the footer is also going to do the same. We can also insert a page number at the bottom of this page. So one thing we need to do is to find where can we get the header, the footer, and page number. So if you click on insert, you'll be able to see header. It will ask you which type of header do you want to adopt. I can go for the first one. Maybe I wanted my title to be at the center of this page. I'll go to the home tab, paragraph, I pick center alignment. Then I can be able to type a title. Let me now remove this grid line by clicking view and deactivating grid line. Now this is our page. You can see there is a boundary line. This boundary line tells you this is the header part, and then below is where we normally type. So how do I go back down here so that I can normally type? I can go down here by clicking on this header, footer menu, and then closing the header. What about the footer? I can go down to insert, then I click on footer, then I can pick also a footer of any design. So I'll go for this one. So in the footer, you can see we have an area to type. That's where we put our footer. And how do we get out of here? By clicking this close button under header and footer toolbar. What about a page number? I'll still go to insert, and then I click on page number. Down there, it will ask me, do you want to put at the top, at the bottom, or the current page? I can say the bottom of the page. Which position? Left side, center, or right side? I can say right side. So if you look down in my page, I have the page number as page number 1. Now I can close it. So if I right click down here, and then I go to insert, I say blank page, I'll have page number 2. This is where you are able to see page numbers, page number 2. So in the page number 2, you can see the header is still there. In page number 1, you can see it is number 1, page number. In page number 2, you'll be able to see it is page number 2, right? So that is how you work with the header, footer, and page numbers. Thank you, and see you.